Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, today we are at the most beautiful, most prior area of the Hangzhou, and Hangzhou is famous because of this area. This is the biggest heritage area since the time of Mao Zedong, and this is the most developed and the most beautiful scenic area, and this is called West Lake. So let's explore. Viewers, the West Lake area is also famous because this is the main hub where are the big brands and the flagship stores of the many big brands are here. Behind me you can see is the Apple store, and this is the biggest store of the Apple in the Hangzhou, and it has 2-floor full glass building, very attractive building, and the customers can go inside and can see the things according to their choice. They can see the Apple laptops, Apple tablets, Apple mobile phone, and even there are something they can check there the models, and whenever they want to buy they can go to the main counter and they can buy. And this building is very beautiful building, very attractive building. As you just come to the West Lake main signal area, you can see this Apple store. Viewers, behind me here you can see there is a Victoria's Secret, Chanel and Armani. All the big brands are here, and these are also the flagship stores, the big stores. And you know, this plaza is the most expensive plaza of the West Lake area, and all the expensive and the big brands are here. And many, if you go inside, even you can see the many cosmetic brands, many things are here, garment brands, and this plaza is really very beautiful plaza and very amazing plaza. Our target is to explore the West Lake, so let's go. Viewers, finally we have arrived to the main corner of the West Lake, and behind me you can see this is the cart, the bus service, and these are the charging bus services, and they will charge 20 RMB for one person, and they will take you and have a round around the West Lake area. And if you come here, there is a tour guide also. They will guide you the various the scenic points, the history of them, the culture of that. And if you come to the West Lake, if you don't want to move by yourself, you just hire this cart and just pay 20 RMB for one person, and you can have a full round of West Lake area, and this is really very enjoyable. Viewers, West Lake is the very beautiful and the scenic point of the Hangzhou, and really the Hangzhou is famous for this thing. And this is the very big lake. Have around the 4 corners of this lake there are many scenic points. Along one side is the pagoda, along another side is the scenic point. Many things are here, many small restaurants are also available here. If you come here you can eat many things, and you can see behind me this thing is in the night they make here the water fire, means the colorful water with the music, and very beautiful scene is that in the night they often do. And also behind me the people are doing the boating, and they have the also ship, very big ship, and that is the moving restaurant. You can eat something inside it and have the traveling inside the lake. Viewers, now I am at the corner of the West Lake, and this lake you can see here is not the big boundary or the barrier to stop the people, just they make one chain here. Actually, why they didn't make the barrier here? Because they don't want to disturb the natural beauty of the lake. And one more thing I want to share with you, here there is a very good security system. People are around here, and no one try to jump towards the lake, and this is really, the lake is in its original form, and the scenic area is in its real and the original form. I can see even here the fish are moving inside the lake. The small plants, the sea plants are also inside the lake, I can see from here. So, and every view here is very clear. They have not made the big barrier, and everyone is following the rules. Viewers, another part of the West Lake you can see behind me are the mountains, and these mountains are the one corner of the Westlake, and people just don't come to visit the Westlake area or have the boating inside the Westlake, but they also try to climb these mountains, because many pagodas are on these mountains, and many people try to climb there and to visit those Buddhist temple and the pagodas. So this is also in the natural form, in its original form. They have not modified this, and very beautiful tracks are there, and you can move easily, and you can visit those pagodas and the Buddhist temples. Viewers, Westlake area is a very big area, and they have a lot of space for the walking as well as for the sitting. If you come here and while walking you get tired, there are the seats available beside you, and also the tuck shops are available there. You can buy the drinks, you can buy some kind of snacks, and you can sit here and have some rest, and then again continue to visit the Westlake. Viewers, as you know, in my previous videos I introduced that Hangzhou was the capital of the China in the Song dynasty, and still they have realized their culture and their heritage. You can see here are some pictures with the various traditional dresses. Actually this is one kind of small booth, and they have the Chinese traditional dresses. If you come to the Hangzhou Westlake area and you want to have that cultural touch and those cultural pictures, you can hire one dress from them by the rent, paying some money, and then you can have the pictures. And as you can see, here are some female dresses along my right side, and you choose the dress by yourself, and then you can hire by rent and wear it and have the pictures. And this is the one presentation of the Song dynasty and the cultural touch of the China. Viewers, along my right side you can see the people are having the boating in the Westlake, as well as a little in the middle of the Westlake you can see there is one dragon ship. As we know that dragon is the symbol of the kingship in the China, and that's why they use the dragon too much for the protection, for the having the strength of the owner. So that ship is the dragon ship, and people are so many people are inside it, and they can have a little some dinner or lunch, as well as they can enjoy the Westlake. Viewers, here is the boating service, and if you like to do the boating in the Westlake, then you can hire this boat. When you will talk to these people, they will offer you the 150 RMB for one person, but as you will communicate with them, they will get agree with 75 RMB for two people. So as you come here, so must remember this thing, they will give you this amount, and you see these all people, and they have the fixed amount, they will not bargain about it. 多少钱
？150块钱。
两个人。
两个人。
两个人。150。
Yes.
They are saying 150 for two people.
Two people.
Yeah.
One person.
150.
150.
150.
Yes.
Not less.
不做?
Not less. They are saying 150 RMB, and it's too high price just for two people. So if you bargain with them, maybe they get agree at the 75 RMB for two people. So this is the fixed rate. After that they will say, you go, we don't want to take you. Viewers, if you get bored and you have no one to talk, then you can come to one corner of the Westlake, and there are so many statues. You can have the chatting with them, you can talk to them. In the China, everywhere you can find these kind of statues. Actually these statues are presenting some kind of culture, some kind of history there. So many corners of the Hangzhou, many corners of China you can find, even on the bus stations and in special visiting point you can see these kind of statues. And this is one kind of the college and the school students, and they are giving some kind of discussion. So these kind of statues, and here you see this is also one kind of discussion, and they look like real, and when you have no one, you can come here and chat with them. Where you know the mobile is the necessity of the world this time, and wherever you will travel you have to use your mobile, and when you will use your mobile too much, the battery will also be out. So no need to worry in the China. this kind of charging services are available at every corner of the China. Even in the Westlake area, you can see these are the power banks. There is one QR code. You have to scan this QR code by your mobile, and after that you will pay a little extra amount, means after full power bank. As you will return back the power bank, they will charge only a few RMB for the charging time, and the remaining money will be reimbursed to you. So this is a very good service in the China, and you cannot be worried about the out of battery mobile. So you can recharge your mobile by availing this service. Viewers, along the Westlake, I have seen this is one kind of sweets shop, and these are the sweets made by the milk, cream, and many kind of dry fruits. And they also have some kind of flower tea. Here you can see, and here even you see they place their sweets. You can check and you can taste by your choice. There is a toothpick, and there is nothing bad in it. There is a dry fruit, and you can see this is the milk, cream, and these sweets, and these are the handmade sweets. So if you like the sweets, you can come to this kind of shop and can buy the sweets from them. This is really tasty. Now viewers, I will try another sweet. This is one kind of jelly like jelly, and inside is the fruit. So this is really tasty. They have placed the tea also here. You can try this tea, and if you like, you can buy from them and can cook at your home. You see, these are the small cups. This is the flower tea. You just take small amount of flower tea and you can try. Really very tasty tea. And here I can show you, they have the packed candies also. Means same that sweet, they have small packages, and they will sell you by the weighing. Means you want to buy the half kg, 1 kg, they will sell you according to that thing. Here are the teas. These all are the floral tea, and they look like various colorful drinks, and these are the flower tea, and with the very beautiful color and very amazing taste. Beside me is the food stall, and in this food stall you can see they have the steamed chicken. This is also the roasted chicken or birds inside the clay. They will open it, and then you can, here are the potato, that is the Chinese famous tofu, and beside it also the noodles as well as the sausage, and many kinds of tofu, and people are, you can see people are buying from here. This is one kind of food stall. So if someone feel hungry while moving and traveling, so they can come here and have the food. Viewers, beside me you can see these are the Chinese girls, and in the cultural dress, and you can observe that they have the special kind of the hairstyle and their dress, and this, to wear this dress is really an art. And you see they have that traditional umbrella, and they are having the photo shoot here. So this is really very beautiful cultural touch. Viewers, in the Westlake, at this corner there are the lotus flower, lotus plant. I want to share with you that lotus is very important flower for the Chinese, because it is the symbol of the purity in the Buddhist art. So the Chinese not only use the lotus flower for the decoration, but they also use the lotus in the various products like the tea, like the sweets, and many other eatables. So along the Westlake, along various corners, you can find many kinds of the lotus flowers. Viewers, now I am at the another corner of the Westlake, and beside me you can see this is the one tea corner, and this is the Longjing tea. And I already told in my previous video also that Longjing tea is only available in the Hangzhou, and this is the famous product of the Hangzhou. They have graded it in the various types, and if you come to the Hangzhou or you want to gift to someone, then must give this Longjing tea. And this tea has a very amazing taste and a very good fragrance and very good flavor. So as you come to the Hangzhou, then must try the Hangzhou most famous Longjing tea. Viewers, one more detail I want to share with you. When they cook this tea, they put these tea leaves in the boiling water, and as tea is prepared, people don't filter that tea leaves. They enjoy that blowing of the leaves a little away in the cup and enjoy the tea. They don't want to filter those tea leaves. And here beside it, even they have the cooked tea, and they can you can try here. You see, this tea, this Longjing tea is like this. They will cook like this. You see in the water the tea leaves, and if you want to drink, there is no need to remove or filter the tea leaves. Just blow it, the leaves will go a little away, and then you can enjoy this tea. This is the traditional way to take this tea. Viewers, beside me is very yummy ice cream corner as well as the juice corner. So while walking or in the hot weather, you often feel thirsty, so you can find this kind of the juice corners everywhere in the Westlake area. They have many flavored fruit juices, as well as their one famous product is the coconut milk. You can see they are cooking and making the flavored coconut milk. This is the very famous product of them, and in this area this coconut milk is really very delicious and very famous. You can try here when you come here. Viewers, today we have explored the Westlake area, and this is very wonderful that a big lake and big natural scenic point within the middle of the downtown, and with a long walking track with a lot of souvenir shops, cold drinks, eatables, boating service. Even the people can fulfill their hobbies here. They can take the different pictures, make the videos, make the vlogs. This is very beautiful area. As you come here, you will feel very fresh, and with the fresh air, the natural points, and you feel that you are within the nature. There are also many other historical sites along this area, and that have very big stories. We will also explore those areas and share with you. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.